Clean drinking water keeps us hydrated. It quenches our thirst and makes up for the water loss due to heat, sweating, vomiting, or loss of blood. Clean drinking water makes our body systems fit enough to function effectively. Sometimes there is a natural disaster like flood, earthquake, or excess rainfall that makes water unfit for drinking. In such a case, need for clean water grows. Different ways of how we can making water clean and safe for our daily needs. Use clean water. Tap water may not always be safe to drink. Try to use bottled water if possible. If that is not affordable, boiling works best. Water contaminated with harmful chemicals or toxins cannot be made safe by boiling or disinfection. Boil. This method of cleaning water will kill all the bacteria, viruses, and parasites in the water. Boil your water for 1 minute. Let the water cool. Disinfect. This will kill most of the bacteria and viruses that remain there even after boiling. Things do not remain the same. In case of emergency, it is advisable that you disinfect the drinking water to get rid of all the bacteria and other infecting particles. Filter. This method can remove parasites from the water. Add 8 drops, or a little less than 1/8 of a teaspoon of unscented household chlorine bleach to 1 gallon of water. For cloudy tap water, use 16 drops, or 1/4 teaspoon. Selecting material for water storage. Besides making water drinkable, storing water in suitable containers is equally important. Remember to use a container that you can close tightly. It must be made of some durable material like plastic, enameled metal, glass, or fiberglass. The most commonly used material is plastic because it's lightweight, durable, and inexpensive. You also won't have to worry about rust and corrosion. Moreover, using a container with a narrow opening to pour water will also save your time and energy. Usually, it is suggested that we use food-grade plastic containers. Food-grade plastic is thought to be safe for storing food. We can also store water in stainless steel containers. However, there is a risk involved with using steel containers as water purifiers such as chlorine cannot be added to them. The reason for this is that chlorine corrodes steel. Moreover, removing parasites from drinking water is essentially important. Parasites are living things that live inside the body of another living thing. The other living thing is called the host. Parasites depend on host for food and other things that they need to survive. Although parasites are small in size, they have the ability to harm their victims. Need for water conservation. The Earth is running short of natural resources. With the increase in the population, there is a threat of water scarcity. Scientists have warned that the world is going to face a shortage of water in the near future. Therefore, it is our responsibility to take steps to avoid water scarcity. We need to use water wisely and responsibly. This can save us from the threat of water scarcity in the coming years.